Picture this. You're standing in front of your fridge pondering what to whip up for breakfast. And then you spot them, a carton of eggs. Quick, cheap, and easy, right? But what if I told you that these simple eggs could be transformed into culinary masterpieces? Today, we're cracking the secrets of egg mastery and unveiling 5 egg-citing ways to cook them perfectly every time. So, are you ready to embark on this egg-citing journey? Let's get cracking. But before we dive into the sizzling skillet, let me take you back to a time when my egg cooking skills were far from perfect. I used to struggle with overcooked yolks and rubbery whites, just like many of us. But that's where my quest began, a mission to master the art of cooking eggs. Scrambled Symphony. First, let's talk about the humble scrambled eggs, a personal favorite. Crack those eggs into a separate bowl to ensure a shell-free experience. Whisk away, but here's a twist. Skip the milk or cream and embrace the butter. Melt it in a non-stick skillet, season with salt and pepper, and pour in your eggs. Keep the heat low and let them set before gently folding and pushing them around the pan. It's like conducting a symphony of flavors. Fried fantasy. Now, let's tackle the enigmatic fried egg. It may seem intimidating, but fear not. Heat a skillet, add butter, and slide your egg in when it's hot. A few drops of water and a lid, that's the secret to perfection. Behold the perfectly cooked, vibrant yolk without a hint of overcooked whites. It's like a culinary magic show. Boiled ballet, hard-boiled eggs, a subject of much debate. But here's the foolproof method. Start with medium-high heat and bring them to a gentle boil. Slow and steady wins the race here. Once they're rolling, remove the eggs from the heat, cover, and set your timer. Whether you like your yolks slightly runny or perfectly set, it's all about timing. For slightly runny yolks, cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. This will give you a yolk that's still a bit runny in the center. For perfectly set yolks, cook for about 9 to 12 minutes. This range will result in a fully set yolk without any runniness. And don't forget the ice bath. It's like a refreshing encore for your eggs. Poached performance. Now let's embrace the elegant poached egg. It may seem daunting, but it's a performance worth mastering. Create a gentle whirlpool in a large pot of simmering water. Gently crack the egg into the pot and let it dance in the whirlpool's calm center. Poach until the egg white is no longer translucent and you'll have a perfectly poached egg. It's like a delicate ballet in your pot. The Grand Deviled Encore. Begin with perfectly hard-boiled eggs, cut them in half, and scoop out the yolks into a bowl. Mash them with mayo, mustard, a pinch of salt, and a dash of paprika. Fill the egg whites with this creamy mixture, creating a delightful appetizer that is fit for any occasion. The surprising gourmet twist. But wait, my egg-curious friends, we're about to take this culinary journey to a whole new level. Imagine this, a gourmet dish that will have you feeling like a top chef in your own kitchen. We're going to transform our perfectly poached eggs into the star of the show, a dish that's both elegant and mouth-wateringly delicious. As our poached eggs sit atop a toasted English muffin, a slice of Canadian bacon, and a silky blanket of hollandaise sauce, we're venturing into the realm of gourmet excellence. It's a performance of flavors and textures, a gourmet surprise that'll make your taste buds do a standing ovation. The perfectly poached eggs nestled on that toasted muffin add an air of sophistication to our breakfast creation. But the magic doesn't stop there. As you cut into that poached egg, the yolk flows like liquid gold, cascading over the Canadian bacon and enveloping the English muffin below. It's a masterpiece of elegance and indulgence, a dish that wouldn't be out of place in a Michelin-starred restaurant. So here we have it. The surprising gourmet twist that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Eggs Benedict, a true masterpiece of the breakfast world. It's a culinary adventure that proves you can bring gourmet flair to your own kitchen, and it's bound to impress even the most discerning palates. With that said, thanks for joining us on this Epicurean journey where we've gone from the basics to the gourmet. Until next time, remember that the world of cooking is your canvas and the egg is your versatile muse. Happy cooking, and may your breakfast always be extraordinary.